welcome to Showbiz Scoop. It's Friday and I am back with all the latest news, updates, masala and gossip from the entertainment world. So let's begin. Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's arrest on October 3rd in an alleged drug bust aboard a cruise ship has led many SRK fans to dig up his old interviews where he can be seen speaking about his children and how he would do anything to protect them. In one throwback interview, which appears to be from the first season of Coffee with Karan, Shah Rukh Khan can be heard talking about his fear that his fame could cause problems for his children. A new Red Notice trailer is here. It is a Netflix action comedy thriller that is written and directed by Rawson Marshall Thurber, starring Dwayne Johnson, Gal Gadot, and Ryan Reynolds. Red Notice's trailers and promos have teased a fast-paced, globe-trotting comedic action thriller. Authorities are investigating after confirming that a prop firearm discharged by actor Alec Baldwin while producing and starring in a Western movie killed the cinematographer and wounded the director. A spokesperson for Alec said there was an accident on the set involving the misfire of a prop gun with blanks. On Parineeti Chopra's birthday today, we revisit the chain of events that led to her becoming an actor. An academics-oriented Parineeti had her eyes set on becoming a banker instead. Actress and Bharatnatyam dancer Sudha Chandran has appealed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to issue a card to people with prosthetic limbs so that they can avoid a grilling at airports by security agencies. She said the card can be like the one issued to senior citizens. Bhavai, starring Scam 1992's Pratik Gandhi, was initially titled Ravan Leela. How delicious would it have been if the filmmakers had stuck to it and given us the right dollop of submersion while at it? To read our review of the film, do log on to indianexpress.com. Bollywood actor Kajol, who is on a holiday in Russia with her son Yug and other family members, has shared a post on Instagram for her daughter. Kajol took to Instagram today and shared a photo with daughter Naisa with a caption that read, "Miss you, baby girl." Well, that's all what we have for you for today. We'll be back next week on Monday on Showbiz Scoop with more news and updates only on Showbiz Scoop.